Chenakeshwar Temple in Belur. Hoysaleshwara Temple in Halebeedu, built by King Vishnuvardhana. The architectural style of the two temples was developed by the early Hoysala rulers, who established their new kingdoms and regimes in South India, as a distinctive and innovative sacred architecture, which distinguishes the temples from contemporary kingdoms and dynasties. The Hoysaleshwara temple is a twin temple dedicated to Hoysaleshwara and Santaleshwara Shiva Lingas, named after the masculine and feminine aspects, both equal and joined at their transept. It has two Nandi shrines outside, where each seated Nandi face the respective Shiva Linga inside. The temple includes a smaller sanctum for the Hindu sun god Surya. It once had superstructure towers, but no longer, and the temple looks flat. The temple faces east, though the monument is presently visited from the north side. Both the main temples and the Nandi shrines are based on a square plan. The temple was carved from soapstone. The Hoysaleshwara temple, along with the nearby Chenakeshwar temple at Belur and the Keshava temple at Somanathapura, was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 2023 as part of the sacred ensembles of the Hoysalas. The Hoysala period of South Indian history began about 1000 CE and continued through 1346 CE. In this period, they built around 1,500 temples in 958 centers. Belur is called Beluhur, Velur or Velapura in old inscriptions and medieval era texts. It was the early capital of the Hoysala kings. The city was so esteemed by the Hoysalas that it is referred to as earthly Vakuntha, Vishnu's abode. The main Chenakeshwar temple at Belur was complete and consecrated in 1117 CE, though the complex continued to expand over 100 some years. Vishnuvardhana moved his capital to Dwarasamutra, also referred to as Dwarasamutra, now Halebeedu, famous for the Hoysaleshwara temple dedicated to Shiva. Its construction continued till he died in 1140 CE. His legacy was continued by his descendants who completed the Hoysaleshwara temple in 1150 CE, and other temples about 200 kilometers away such as the Chenakeshwar temple, Somanathapura in 1258 CE. The Hoysalas employed many noted architects and artisans who developed a new architectural tradition, which art historian Adam Hardy calls the Karnata Dravida tradition.